Hi viewers, I am Uche, an expert maths tutor based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. With over 10 years of experience in this teaching industry at all grades, I've helped a lot of students prepare and excel in their GCE, SSCE, UME, UTME, organized by WAEC, JAMB, NECO, respectively. A lot of students have also been able to engage in international competitions and has come out with a great feat. A lot who are feebles in the area of mathematics has become confident following my coaching, ranging from simple or basics to complex and advanced theories. So I want to welcome you to my official YouTube channel, U Mass Media. Here in this channel, I make videos around past questions in Cambridge, IGCSE, WAEC, NECO, JAMB, GCE, all topics in Algebra, all topics in Calculus, all topics in Geometry, and lots more. I also organize and it's available for online tutorials. In case you have phobia for mathematics, or you're a newbie, or you're just barely experienced in the area of mathematics, or complex formulas are giving you a headache, relax! Our simplified approach to solving problems in this channel have got you covered. All you need to do is to hit that subscribe button so that you get subscribed to this channel, and as well don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you will not miss updates of our weekly videos. And with this, you join our community of learners where you'll be followed up until you become a mathematical enthusiast. See you in our videos. Thank you.